It's finally time to start the real opposite patterns, which will help you develop a very important skill for a pianist. This skill allows you to focus on two opposite things at the same time. It may be difficult at the beginning, but it's really important to start practicing it at some point. There are already 2 videos that were meant to prepare you for these patterns. So if you have any issues with following today's lesson, I really encourage you to take a look at it. Okay, so let's start. The whole idea is to play one pattern with the left hand, and at the same time the opposite pattern with the right hand. As previously, put your hand on the piano like this. So the first finger on C, and the rest of your fingers on the next white keys. The left hand is the same, but 1 octave lower. The pattern I'll be using has 2 directions. First, when going from outer notes to the middle finger, so fingers 1 and 5, then 2 and 4, and the middle finger. And second direction, from the middle finger to the outer notes. So, when one hand plays, for example, in direction towards the middle finger, the second hand should play the opposite, so from the middle finger. Let's start by playing only 2 steps of this pattern for now, and then we will go to the full version. So right hand starts with the middle finger, this is the first step, and then fingers 2 and 4. The left hand will have the opposite direction. So as you can see, the second step is the same for both hands, with fingers 2 and 4. Play these 2 steps for a while, until you really feel comfortable. Then let's go 1 white key to the right with every cycle. And also let's get back. And now let's try these 2 steps again, but in the opposite pattern. So the left hand starts with the middle finger and then goes to fingers 2 and 4. The right hand starts with fingers 1 and 5 and then 2 and 4. Again, play a little bit with these 2 steps and then start moving your hands across the white keys. And back. Are you ready for the full pattern now? So the right hand will play from the middle finger, and the left hand will start from fingers 1 and 5. So the first step is this, the second step is the same for both hands, so fingers 2 and 4, and the third step. Let's go a little bit to the right side. And back. And now let's try the opposite version. So right hand starts with fingers 1 and 5, and left hand with the middle finger. Then fingers 2 and 4 for both hands, and now the right hand goes to the middle finger, and the left hand to fingers 1 and 5. And again, let's move it a little bit. So now we are ready to combine both versions and play the pattern from the first video, this one. So here the right hand starts with the direction towards the outer notes, and from this point we use opposite pattern to go back, so 1 and 5, 2 and 4, and the middle finger. And the left hand starts with direction towards the middle finger. And here we go back with the opposite pattern. There are of course many ways to practice such patterns. It's always nice to use some progressions and different rhythms. We are in C major, so let's use progression 1, 6, 4, 5. So 1, C major, 6, A minor, 4, F major, and 5, G major. And that's all for today. Remember to give yourself some time for practicing, and do not quit so easily. If you are interested in some piano improvisation lessons, check out these videos. See you next time!